Hey everyone, welcome to another Sheet Director feature. In this video, we'll explore how Sheet Director supports various authentication methods to securely connect with different applications. Sheet Director enables seamless integrations by supporting a wide range of authentication types such as Auth 1, Auth 2, and Key Authentication, making it easy to connect with multiple apps in a secure and flexible way. Let's start with Auth. Auth is a widely used standard for secure access that lets users grant apps access to their data without sharing passwords. Major platforms like Zoho CRM, HubSpot, Trello, and Xero use Auth for secure integrations. Open the app configuration and click on Connect for your desired service. You'll be redirected to the application's authentication page. Review and confirm the access permissions. Click Allow to proceed. Once authentication is successful, a confirmation message will appear. You can then close the window and start using the service within Sheet Director. Now, let's look at Key Authentication. Key Authentication uses a secure API key to verify and authorize access between systems. Instead of logging in, you simply provide a unique key issued by the application. To use this method in Sheet Director, go to the app configuration and enter your API key. And then click on the Connect button. With these authentication options, Sheet Director makes it easy to connect with your favorite applications securely. Choose the method that works best for you and start integrating your data with confidence.